Yesterday was a break-even day, but we're gonna see what we can do. No risk, no reward. We're gonna show up, follow the process, follow the plan that has got us here. So we're just gonna keep doing that. Oh, what the fuck? I was just at the entry and I looked back. Good little move right there. Good little reaction. Good timing. But that's TP1 because it's not like I just tapped TP1. I risked $1,500 on that trade. I went into profit of about almost $2,000. We were pretty close to TP2, so it didn't make sense for me not to break even. Whatever the result is, you just gotta live with it. The best thing to do as a trader is just learn that whatever happens, it is what it is. On to the next. Focus on the next trade. It's beautiful in the background. Look at this. I'm not tied down to nowhere. I can do what I want, where I want, whenever I want. Morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. We are back at the apartment. We are back in the lab, back in the crib, back in the office, back in the workstation, back whatever, the game station, whatever you want to call this shit. We are back. I do look like I gotta put in a new battery, so that has to be done. And the reason I gotta put a new battery is because I was recording a hella content yesterday, the last 2 days when it comes to me being in Atlanta, me with one-on-one calls. So if you didn't watch yesterday's vlog, whole lot of game, whole lot of value. I even talk about my beginning stages of a trader when I was first depositing $100 into an account and how I lost $2,000 depositing $100 at a time, and I lost it 20 times. But that's for that vlog. You can check that out. Right now, we're about to get our trading day started. It's Tuesday, but it feels like Monday because this is like me back in the workstation. Yesterday was a break-even day, but we're gonna see what we can do. No risk, no reward. We're gonna show up, follow the process, follow the plan that has got us here. So we're just gonna keep doing that. So if you wanna work with me one-on-one, you wanna get access to these calls, then you can apply in the first link in the description. The second link is the free trading training. And with that being said, let's see if we can make some money. Other ones for bulls, like I like NAS for the longs. I like S&P more for the longs because they came and filled into a gap, but I don't have that on 30. My equivalence for the longs is this low getting ran, but that just doesn't make sense to me right now. But based off of, yeah, the wick is wild, but it also wicked the highs too. So it's like it wicked both sides and then just went right back into it. I'm trying to trust the fact whatever happened yesterday with this bearishness wasn't trying to hit yesterday, but we consolidated, chopped around, so maybe today's the day. NAS is at an all-time high, so if it just keeps pushing, I mean, it's at an all-time high. I wouldn't be opposed to it. I feel like it can get close, like 60, 70, but that's like taking into account, usually when we have them drawdown periods, those last at least a year or so. Oh, what the fuck? I was just at the entry and I looked back. Yo, I swear that shit just went up and down. By the time I looked over and back, it was all the way back where it was previously. Bro, I didn't even have time to think. I pulled the app out, put the contract size in, and I looked over and it was there again. And I wanted to get me this entry right there though, because I don't, on 30, these little entries matter. Like that's an extra 9 points out of 50. Like that's like 5, 10 points. That's like 25% of my stop loss. That's like 25%. I'm already not getting that shit at the wick high. Like I need this, I need the points. I need everyone, every point counts. All right, there we go. I got my 5 points. We're gonna have this as my first trade. Yesterday, my first trade of the week was break even. So let's see what this one get hit for. Let's see if this map this week is gonna fuck me up. Now we got the entry, use 30 shorts at 1 hour gap. I got a 50-point stop loss. Let's see what this first trade get hit for. Worst case, it stops me out and goes in my direction again. Best case, I'm just wrong and it goes bullish because I wouldn't have been able to buy from here anyway. I wouldn't have made sense of this long here. Shorts I like. So we just gotta wait and see what happens now. No risk, no Rari. Let's see what we can do. We in the trade ski. See if we can get a nice little dub. We'll see. So far the trade looks good though. I mean, we getting that reaction. So the timing we got in was great. Come on. Good little move right there. Good little reaction. Good timing. Because it was good. I wanted to trade before 9:30. That's why I was kind of willing to get in right there. Because when it gave me the entry, I'm like, shit, whatever happens at 9:30, it already tapped my area multiple times. So if it wants to leave, it could leave all at once. But it looks good so far. But that's TP1. TP1, my boys. I'm breaking even on that. That's a great trade reaction. Great trade reaction. Can't be mad at it at all. Hopefully it doesn't go up and bullshit me. But yeah, I'm break even now. So, you know, I can't lose nothing. I mean, you would think. Unless I can slip, but you know, let's not hope for that. Why are you going back up 30? Why? Why are you going up? Yo, honestly, this price action is pretty whack. Not it, bro, because the trade is not going to change, but yeah, it just stopped me break even. And look, it's probably just going to fucking fall again, just bullshit. Look though, like NAS longs, at least we know it's bullish, so it'll be on the bias. 30, I like the shorts, but it's not me break even. This keeps putting me back into this shit. I don't know. Should I just trust the Nas? I thought about trusting S&P, and S&P would have put me in drawdown, so you know what? Fuck you, S&P. Let's see, maybe Nas is the one that I can trust right now. Cause out of the three, I tried 30, gave me a little sum. I got out of there scot-free, so you know what? I might just put my egg somewhere else. Let's see, what about you now? If I hop in Nas and it drops, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Look at that. In a matter of seconds. See, this is that good Nas y'all be talking about? Listen, I be trying to tell y'all, Nas just don't be it. And let me guess, 30's going to TP2. 30 be the one, man. I tried all three. I would have put it like this. The trade idea on S&P would have fucked me up. On Nas, it did fuck me up. And on 30, it stopped me out break even. But if I just wasn't break even, it would have been cool. It's about to hit TP2 if I would have been it. That shit really did me dirty, bro. This would have been the only trade I would have needed. It just came up, stopped us out. It didn't go nowhere besides stop us out. It came up right here at 940, stopped me out of break even, and that was the last time it ever went back there. That's real unfortunate. But look, we hit TP1 first. We hit TP1 first, and then got the retracement, and then that's what fried. It's very unfortunate. Like, I'm all for the shorts on 30. It's just, it keeps failing to get the entry. I would have wanted this trade 10, 15 minutes ago. Yeah, the 1 hour gap, the original 1 hour gap that I took earlier, like essentially the same ideal area around that 10, 15 point range, but it keeps failing to go up there anyway. So just chilling here, sitting on my hands. Oh, this 30, we wanted the shorts and everything. We was even willing to wait, and you missed. It's wild work. It's valid. The previous low got hit. Everything did exactly what I would have wanted it to. It just stopped me out at break even. It was a small L day. I had one break even trade and I had one W trade. Honestly, I'm not too mad at the fact that I lost the trade. I'm more mad at the fact that US 30 still dropped and it came and stopped me break even just to go lower. Like, if I wouldn't have broke even, I would have been good, but also if I wouldn't have broke even, it would have made sense, because it's not like I just tapped TP1. I risked $1,500 on that trade. I went into profit of about almost $2,000. We were pretty close to TP2, so it didn't make sense for me not to break even, but since I broke even, the market came up, got my ass, then went right back down to TP. And then from there, I tried to get the longs on Nas. I was assuming since we're at all-time highs, the 1 hour gap, we would keep moving bullish. Timing was not on my side, and I took a L. It is what it is. You win some, you lose some. I didn't do anything stupid. I could have taken a third trade, but I just didn't see anything worth taking, so I kept myself disciplined. We'll be back tomorrow. I have a rule. If I win 2 days in a row, I won't trade the third. If I lose 2 days in a row, I won't trade the third. I had a break even yesterday, which is a W. Had an L day today, so we can still trade tomorrow, but we'll see. Only thing we can do is control risk, control our emotions, and show up and follow the same system and follow the same plan. But as of right now, I do got to hop on a call with a student. So we're about to do that. So with that being said, if you want to get some free game, keep watching. Were you in the calls or did you not join the groups yet?
What's going on? I didn't know how to join it. I'm on the Telegram.
I bet.
Yeah, I'm not too sure how to join it.
Did you download Telegram or are you in the Telegram chats?
I'm in the Telegram chats and I downloaded it on my phone.
Which ones did you join?
The VIP.
Copy.
Trading, and then...
You just joined that or he had joined it earlier?
Nah, I joined it earlier.
So basically in the VIP chat, that's where we were live. So are you on your phone or your computer?
Yeah, I'm on my computer right now.
If you're on your computer, when you go onto it, it'll be like the top, right now it probably says pinned messages because that's just how it looks when the call is off, because I just ended the call a little bit ago before I called you. But usually in the pinned messages, it'll be like, 60 participants. It'll show like the names. It'll show like a little like annotations like people are talking. There'll be like a join button. But that's where like it'll be like a join button like right where the pinned messages are. And if you go on your phone, it's the same thing. It'll be like right up where the pinned messages are. You'll be able to like click join, and then from there you'll just be able to join the call, and you'll be able to see like where the call is and everything. And that's going to be inside the VIP chat. The VIP chat's like where we're live trading Monday through Friday. That's like where a lot of the group environment is when we're all together for the most part. The other chat that you probably joined, the student chat, that's a smaller one. That's just like for the students. That's where I send you guys the links on the weekend to book the one-on-one calls. That's just more like selective. So when I want to talk to you guys, I just have you all in one place compared to just having everybody. So it's just kind of separated. But that's the two chats.
I bet. Sounds good.
But that's that. Did you start the blueprint yet?
Yeah, that's so basically what I'm thinking is I'm gonna watch like everything. I already watched 12 videos. That's why I was up last night.
All right, team, right now I'm inside my car for the first time in like a week. Last time I was in the car is when I got the chain, and ever since then, my girlfriend has literally been driving everywhere. And I honestly, the more I drive my own car, the more I realize I don't want a boring, quiet car. If I get a boring, quiet car, I'm gonna get a Maybach, I'm gonna get a Rolls Royce, I'm gonna get something that makes sense for it to be a boring, quiet car. But besides that, I need a fun car, and that just makes me wanna get these R8, the Huracan, and fucking a Urus. It makes me want to get it so much more, but also I just want to be patient. I don't want to just put myself in a situation where I'm on I got a car note of $1,000, $2,000 for 3 to 4 or 5 years possibly on these car notes. So, I just want to make sure I make everything make sense, because I made dumb decisions in the past, and I've made those dumb decisions to put me in a position to realize I'm smarter than doing this dumb shit. So I learned from the things I've done and the money I've lost and the experiences I've learned in the past, so I can make a better decision this time. So yeah, but just know it's gonna come. It's gonna come. I don't know when, but it's gonna come very, very soon. Very, very soon. Hopefully sooner than later. But I'm gonna just stay down until I can make it happen. This chain, I didn't think I was gonna get it. I woke up one day and I got it. It's gonna be the same way. I'm gonna just have everything I need, everything in place, so I could just go make it happen. Just go get that car. Go put the down payment. Have all the paperwork ready. All of that. I'm gonna make it happen. But right now I'm about to go to the store because I just got out the gym, and I'm about to get some snacks so I can snack on some. I was gonna go to Wawa, and I was like, you know what? Let me not get no milk shit. Let me not eat no bullshit. Let me try to go get something a little bit better. So I'm gonna get a little bit of snacks, get the Hillshire crackers and shit, just so I can get a whole bunch of those, get some protein, and then edit some of the content, get some stuff posted on Instagram, and then get back to the crib. All right, team. Right now, this definitely looks like it could be a little bit brighter. I'm gonna wait for the autofocus to focus up a little bit. Like the battery had got full. But what I was gonna say is I'm just chilling on the balcony, just kind of getting content, just kind of enjoying being back home. It sounds like it's about to rain, so I'm kind of glad that I didn't go clean my car, because I was gonna go get the Mercedes cleaned, but for whatever reason, I felt like it was gonna rain. The weather didn't say it was gonna rain, but I can hear thunder, so you know what? It was a good decision. A good decision, just like breaking even earlier, because even though it resulted in me not making money today, even though it resulted in me taking one L today, I followed the process, I followed the plan. That's one of the few things you can control. I can't control what's gonna happen after I take a trade. I can't control everything. I can only control what I have control of, how much I'm at risk, the trades that I'm taking, following my plan. I did everything I'm supposed to. I didn't over risk, I didn't over leverage, followed my plan. Whatever the result is, you just gotta live with it. The best thing to do as a trader is just learn that whatever happens is gonna happen regardless. Stop dwelling on the loss, stop dwelling on the W, stop dwelling on what coulda, shoulda been. It is what it is. On to the next. Focus on the next trade, because if you keep worrying about the last trade, if you keep worrying about the last opportunity you miss, you're gonna miss the next one. Simple as that. Eyes on the prize, eyes staying focused on where you're trying to go, on the vision overall, because yes, these little days, they're gonna suck in the moment, but it's just a sucking in the moment day. It's not gonna make you who you are. You are who you are from the things that you've done that compounded into who you are, not because of your daily one action. Just because you did something dumb today, just because you had a shitty result today, doesn't make you who you are. You are who you are because of the things you do on a daily basis, such as your habits. As long as you focus on having the right habits, you good. I did what I was supposed to, went to the gym, ate some healthy food, didn't eat some junk food, got some content done. My day's not done yet, I'm chilling on the balcony. I'm not gonna play the game either, because you know me, I wanna have fun. I wanna do things that are gonna feel good, but as traders, as individuals, as men, we gotta train ourselves to do things we don't wanna do. Because if I could train myself to do things I don't wanna do, I'm gonna be able to be a better trader. I'm gonna be able to walk away from I'm gonna be able to walk away from a W. Because we don't wanna walk away when we could make more money. We don't wanna walk away when we did lose money. But that's why we practice doing things we don't wanna do, no matter how we feel, in all aspects of life. Because how you do one thing is how you do everything. This rain, thunder sounds crazy. I'm going inside. About to go get some food. It's about that time. Hunger. Very hungry, very hungry. But as of right now, the only stuff left to do in the vlog, honestly, there really isn't nothing left to do. I'm just showing you guys as the shitty weather. But it's all good, because look, there's a McLaren, there's a blue Corvette, there's a black Mercedes, you got Old Bloody, a whole bunch of nice cars, ain't there, to brighten the mood. And I got the gas. You know, keep you guys updated in terms of recording on my phone. I said phone, the food at the restaurant. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm dyslexic at this point. Oh yeah, we eating that steak right now. Ugh, make sure I don't burn this joint. Looks a little bit crispy, but you know what? I ain't a chef. You learning on the go. Dee tore that food up, and she's the last person ever because this restaurant is going to be closing tomorrow. So she's the last person ever to get these specific sweet mashed potatoes with marshmallows. Yeah. There'll probably be another restaurant, but last time it would be this restaurant. All right, back from eating the food, W food. It was good steak, but like I said, that's the last day that it's gonna be open. Well, tomorrow's the last day. I guess today was the second to last night. I don't know if they're gonna be open tomorrow night, but it was great food. I went there a whole bunch of times. I don't know what it's gonna be next. Hopefully it's some sort of steakhouse also, but only time will tell. But right now I'm about to go to the balcony, show you guys the view and everything. Beautiful night view. I don't know if I've showed you guys the night view in a little bit, but the sun is going down right now. It's beautiful in the background. Look at this. This is what we do it for, the beautiful view. But I wanted to talk to you guys about before I end the video off. Not nothing too crazy, but I do want to say, I just want to be grateful for what you could do, because it really is like sunk into me when I was in Atlanta. I'm really able to make money, work from wherever I go, like from wherever. Like I can go all the way over there and I can go chill in the car or something. I can make money. I can go somewhere over there. I can go all the way to Philly. I can go all the way to Atlanta and I can still make money. I can still trade. I can still post my videos. I can still do everything that I do. I can still hop on calls with my students. Everything that I do is fully remote. I don't have I'm not tied down to nowhere. I can do what I want, where I want, whenever I want. I can't buy a Lambo, can't buy certain things, but for the most part, all the basic necessities, I can eat what I want. I can eat a steak dinner whenever I want. I can go whatever state I want to. All of that. It's just crazy. It's just have a dream, chase it, make it happen. Don't stop until you make it happen. Like there's really no ifs, ands, or buts. The way you gotta look at it, if not this, then what? If I didn't make this happen, I don't know what I would be doing right now. So we just gonna keep it going. But with that being said, it's gonna be the end of the video. It's gonna be a little bit of a short vlog, but it was informative, educational, and I'm just showing you what it's like to be a day in the life of a trader at 22 years old. So yeah, if you like this video, if you want to work with me one-on-one, if you want to learn exactly how you can make your first 5 figures when it comes to trading, you can apply in the first link in the description. Second link is a free trading training, and the third link is a broker that I use on a daily basis that I indeed lost money on today. So if you want to use them, there you go. But I love you guys. Stay safe, stay busy, and I'll see you guys at tomorrow's daily video.